What's up, everybody? We're just going to get into a quick how-to on removing logos from AVS or similar style vent visors, rain guards, whatever you want to call them. So we are also going to get into removing it from the bug deflector, which is also AVS. And as you can see, I've already removed the logo from this side. No wax, no nothing involved, just wiped it right off. And we're gonna go ahead and get into how I did it on the driver's side. So let's get into it now. All right, so here is the driver's side with the logo still. This actually came with a little bit of damage. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's got like a scuff here, just some weird coloration here. Hopefully we can clean that up a bit. Can't say I'm too happy about that, but I've seen other people, mention on YouTube and online, you can do this with lacquer thinner, then you gotta wax it, or you can use goof off, wax after, If you use mineral spirits, should be good to just go ahead, wipe it right off, and then it should leave a perfect finish after. And I'm just gonna wipe it down with a damp microfiber right after. I've also done this with GTS vent visors. It works for, a couple of different styles. All these logos are pretty much on here just to, show their brand. And if you keep it, you keep it. If you know what you're doing, you can rub it off. So just get a little paper towel. I got this little paper towel folded up. It's got a little bit of mineral spirits on there. And then I'm just applying light pressure. And it should just rub right off. Might take a second to get going here. Yep. Starting to come off. So just be careful, make sure you switch spots on the paper towel, because you don't want to use the paint you scraped off to scratch the rest off, because it could leave light scratching. So almost got most of this off. Like I said, I'm just light pressuring it, moving it around. Almost off here. And there it is, guys, completely off. Give it a nice little wipe down here. I'm still using the mineral spirits. I'm hoping it'll clean the rest of the crap up that was on here. Surprised it came this damage, to be honest, but all right, that looks good. Take our damp, just water, microfiber cloth. We're just essentially wiping the mineral spirits off, because that does get kind of like a coating over it. It's almost like grease. You want to get that off. There it is, guys. No more logo. As you can see, all I did was wipe it down. There is no scratching, no damage, no nothing. All right, so as I said, this should work on most similar style vent visors. Anything with a little logo on here, and mineral spirits is the answer. So that's how you do it. All right, so as you can see, we got it right off of the bug deflector. All I did was use a hair dryer. It's really just a sticker that's pressed on there. It's different than, at least on this particular model for the Ranger, and I think this style of AVS, they're just stickers. They're not like painted on as the vent visor is. But as you can see, we got this clean, no damage, no scratching. So hopefully this helps if you're trying to remove any logo from AVS vent visor, bug deflector, or a similar branded visor. So